A lot of people think that, do I just go to Lowe's? Do I just go to Home Depot? Do I just put this thing in my basement? You know, do I just let it sit there? No, actually this is a whole house dehumidification system. It's real simple. In Tucson, Arizona, all right, the temperatures get up to around 114 degrees, 120 degrees sometimes at the tops, right? Ideally, there's no humidity. I mean, during like monsoons, there's a little bit of humidity, but for the most part, there's no humidity in Arizona. That's why their central air systems last twice as long as our central air systems do in Ohio. We have the battle of humidity. So in houses, you can have an excess of humidity and your AC is going to run all the time. It like never shuts off. And somebody's watching this is like, yeah, man, that's mine. That's a lot of them, people in Ohio, Kentucky, the Midwest. I mean, we deal with that humidity at extreme. Not probably extreme as Florida, but definitely high extremes. So what we got to do, we got to get rid of that humidity. If we get rid of that humidity, our AC will run half the time. So super efficient. Save you a ton of money, and the biggest thing is, makes your house super comfortable. I currently have my dehumidification system set currently right now at 50% relative humidity. So I will dehumidify my house down to 50%. So it helps my air conditioner dehumidify my house, makes my house comfortable, very crisp, very clean. You know, I had one guy recently that came in and said, man, your house feels like a hospital. And the reason that is because of my dehumidification system dropped my humidity levels and made it extremely comfortable. So now I'm coming into the fall of the year. I do not want to dehumidify. We're going to have the other battle. We got to put the humidity back in the house. Summer, you want to take it out. Winter, you want to put it back. So with that said, all I'm going to do currently right now is just turn this thing off, and it has internal dampers that shuts it down, and you just heard it now kick off. Now you can actually hear me talk a little bit because it's shutting down. Now, when I'm in my house or upstairs or running around, you don't hear any of this. You just hear, right now we're here because we're right here, but it's actually very virtually quiet. It has internal dampers, so as soon as I turn it off, then dampers shut, and we're good to go. All right, that's all I got to say about the dehumidification system.